Hey everyone, Dreame is preparing to launch one of its most advanced cleaning solutions yet, the Aqua 10 Ultra Roller Complete, which will be available in Europe beginning September 8, 2025. Positioned at the high end of the market with a retail price of €1,499, the model is being offered with a limited-time early buyer discount of €200, bringing the price down to €1,299. With this release, Dreame is aiming to solidify its position among the leaders in premium robot vacuum and mop hybrids. At the core of the Aqua 10 Ultra Roller Complete is an exceptionally powerful suction system capable of reaching up to 30,000 Pascals. This makes it one of the strongest robot vacuums on the market, designed to handle everything from fine dust to more stubborn debris across a variety of surfaces. Complementing this suction system is Dreame's new Aqua Roller Mop, which represents a significant upgrade over conventional mopping systems. The mop rotates at 100 revolutions per minute, using a constant supply of fresh water along with a built-in scraper to remove dirt continuously. This ensures that dirty water and debris are not spread around the home, an issue common with less sophisticated robot mop designs. One of the standout features of this system is the auto-seal function. When the vacuum detects carpeted surfaces, it automatically prevents the mop from making contact, protecting fibers from unwanted dampness while still delivering powerful vacuum performance. This adaptive cleaning mode enhances its versatility, allowing it to switch seamlessly between hard floors and carpets. The docking station plays a critical role in the Aqua 10's self-maintenance. Not only does it refill the robot's water supply, but it also cleans the mop with 100 degrees Celsius hot water, ensuring a hygienic reset after every cycle. Once cleaned, the mop is dried at the dock, preventing mold and unpleasant odors. This high level of automation significantly reduces the amount of manual intervention required from the user and makes the device suitable for households looking for a nearly hands-off cleaning experience. Navigation is handled by an updated LDS module in combination with dual HD cameras. This system allows the robot to create precise maps of the home, recognize obstacles, and adapt its path intelligently to avoid collisions. The Aqua 10 can also climb barriers up to 8 centimeters in height, meaning thresholds and raised carpets are no obstacle to its operation. While the European release date and pricing are confirmed, Dreame has not provided information about a North American launch. This leaves potential US buyers waiting, although the brand's other models, like the L40 Ultra, are already available through retailers such as Amazon, where they often sell at steep discounts. Overall, the Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra Roller Complete stands out as a highly capable cleaning robot that merges immense suction power with innovative mopping technology. Its continuous fresh water system, automated mop cleaning at high temperatures, and intelligent navigation make it one of the most advanced home cleaning solutions currently announced. For those in Europe willing to invest in premium convenience and performance, it represents a compelling option, though prospective North American customers may need to wait to see if it arrives in their market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Have a nice day, and God bless you.